In this video, I'll show you how to send money to an inmate through Western Union. This process can be done online, and I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to do. By the way, if you're a business owner, Western Union might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, if you don't already have a Western Union account, go to westernunion.com and create one. Select the option to register, then sign up using your email address and create a password. After signing up, Western Union will send you a verification code by email or text message. Enter that code to verify your account and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. From the menu options, select Pay an Inmate. After selecting this option, you'll be asked to choose the correctional facility where the inmate is located. Select the appropriate facility from the list. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. After that, fill in the inmate's full name and inmate number exactly as provided by the correctional facility. Once all the information is entered correctly, tap Continue to move forward. Now you'll be asked to choose how you want to pay. You can select options like paying with a debit or credit card, or paying in person, depending on availability. If you choose to pay with a debit or credit card, you'll also be able to select the delivery speed, such as an urgent option that delivers faster but includes a fee. After selecting your preferred option, tap Continue. On the payment screen, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Review your billing address, then continue to review the transaction. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment, and the money will be sent to the inmate through Western Union. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.